Welcome to today's webinar with the title PCB Online Shop, Simply Made in Germany by Würth Elektronik. I am Andreas Schilp, your host of today's Würth Elektronik Circuit Board Technology webinar, and I would like to welcome you. The speakers in today's webinar are Julia Reiner, Team Lead of WEdirekt, and Marlon Weber, Sales Manager WEdirekt. Welcome, Julia and Marlon. And now, wish you lots of fun and new information.
Hello and welcome to our webinar about our prototype online shop WEdirekt, Würth Elektronik's online shop for fast prototype PCBs and stencils. We are glad you are joining us today. Here you can see our agenda. We want to go through the points. First, we want to tell you something about a little introduction of us. Then you hear something about the key facts about WEdirekt. Then the product portfolio overview from our online shop. We want to tell you about the advantages of the online shop and show you a practical example with a live demonstration. After that, we want to hear your opinion with a survey, and at the end we have open question time for your questions and desires. Before we get started, let us briefly introduce ourselves. My name is Julia. I have been with the company for 12 years. I started in the online shop sales department, later built up the small customer support team for the Germany, Austria and Switzerland area, and pursued further education alongside my work and earning a bachelor's degree in sales and management in 2021. Today I am responsible for the entire small customer sales area in Germany and our online shop. And I am convinced that complex technology doesn't have to be complicated when explained properly. By my side today is my colleague Marlon.
Yes, also hello and welcome from me, everyone who joined us today. I also want to introduce myself at first. So last summer I finished my apprenticeship as an industrial clerk, and then I gained my first working experience in the marketing department. Since 1 year I'm now in the sales department and I'm responsible for the support in the WEdirekt Online Shop, and I also have my own customer responsibility in the southern of Germany, and there I manage complex PCB projects and help the customer with questions around about the PCB. I really like my job because of the difference between the complex product, the PCB, and the personal contact with my customers. Next year I want to study alongside my work, and we as WEdirekt also support the students, and how I will show you later in detail. And together we want to show you today how you can order your PCB prototypes with WEdirekt safer, faster and easier, and most importantly, of course, what benefit you will gain, because that's what it's all about.
We also have something for you. At the end of the webinar, we prepare an exclusive advantage for you to save on your next order, so stay tuned. Before we dive into the content, we'd like to introduce you briefly to our team. While our online shop is highly automated, giving you prices, delivery dates and feasibility checks in just a few clicks, real people stand behind it. Here you see a picture of our engineering team on the left side, and on the right side you see our sales team who take care of your orders and requests every day. Some specialize in our small customer sales, others focus mainly on WEdirekt, our online shop, and all together they ensure you get support anytime, via chat, phone or by mail. This is important because printed circuit boards are technically demanding and very special products. And especially when questions or uncertainties arise, you can count on real people behind the digital shop who understand you and helps you further. This gives you the perfect combination: speed and automation online, plus personal contact when it matters.
And before we go deeper into the benefits and the ordering process, I want to show you some key facts of our WEdirekt online shop. WEdirekt was founded in 2008, so it's now been for over 15 years Würth Elektronik's online shop. We are offering PCBs and stencils from 16 layers up to higher technologies. We have around 70 orders per day and have about 1,800 active customers, and that's really from the small startup up to the established industry clients. And our products are made in Germany, and the most of the orders are manufactured in the plant in Rot am See. Because of the small distances, we can produce with high efficiency and low costs, and that's why it's possible for the very low delivery times. I also want to show you our product portfolio in our online shop. We are producing the PCBs according to IPC class 2. We are able to produce PCBs up to 16 layers, HDI microwire technology, and also 3D products like rigid flex up to 6 layers, or pure flex with or without stiffener, and also some special technologies like plugged wire, edge plating or hard gold. As I said, we are also offering stencils in our online shop. There we have two types. First, the Eco stencil for the hand assembly, and the SMD stencils for the common self-tensioning frame systems. And I think many of you know the challenges during the working day, so that you have to wait for your offer maybe a few days, you're unsure whether your data is correct or not, and often your PCBs don't arrive as quick as you need them. And WEdirekt solves exactly these problems, because with our promise, price, delivery date and feasibility in minutes directly online.
And if your technical requirements aren't met in the configurator, you can contact us at any time via chat, by phone or by mail, and we'll work with your contact person to find the perfect solution for your product or your project. So if you need help in layout designing or specific technical support, just contact us and we will support you to the right contact person. An important aspect of WEdirekt is our attractive advantage that help you implement your PCB project cost efficiently. Let me briefly explain how this works. Through our intelligent pooling method, we combine orders from different customers with similar specifications and produce them together. This saves cost for material, setup times and production, and we pass these savings directly to you. So you benefit from a significant cost advantage compared to single production called non-pooled, also available in our online shop. Unlike many traditional manufacturers and also our standard sales channel, WEdirekt charge no initial costs for production. That means no hidden fees, just transparent prices from the beginning. We reward also your loyalty. The more you order with us, the higher your loyalty discount will be. This grows with your volume, providing a real incentive for long-term partners. When you produce a PCB multiple times without changing something on your layout, you receive a 50% discount on every repeat order. And if overproduction occurs, for example, you ordered 10 PCBs, but we produced 12, the 2 more produced PCBs will be offered for 50% less of the original price. So you save money there too. These price advantages make WEdirekt not only fast and reliable, but also especially economically attractive for your PCB business. WEdirekt offers many benefits that make your ordering process faster, easier and safer. Our delivery time starts at just 3 working days, so your PCBs arrive quickly. The user-friendly calculator enables instant price and delivery date calculation with no waiting for offers. You can place orders online anytime, 24/7. With a maximum total area of up to 4 square meters, even larger projects are easily possible. We guarantee binding delivery dates so you can coordinate your planning precisely. And of course, we rely on the highest quality, made in Germany from our plants in Rot am See and Niedernhall. Our competent support team is always available to assist you. Especially interesting for companies with their own IT system is our WEdirekt REST AP or API connection. This interface allows your software to communicate directly with our shop. That means you can automatically retrieve prices and delivery times and place orders directly through your system, efficiently and error-free. If you're interested in such an integration, please feel free to contact us and write a mail to info@wedirekt.com.
All right, so now I would say let's go to the main part, and I will show you how easy it is for you to calculate and to order your PCBs at our WEdirekt Online Shop. So, as you can see here, this one is our landing page for our WEdirekt Online Shop. You can reach this one with www.wedirekt.com or en. To order your PCBs with our online shop, you need an existing account. You can easily log in here into your existing account, or if you do not have one yet, that's no problem. You can also register here. You just have to fulfill all the base data and the invoicing details. And then with the click Send Registration, your account is active. All right, so I will log into my account real quick. All right, so as you can see now, we are here on our dashboard. Here you could see your finished orders or your last bills, but I do not have one. And on the left side, you can also choose between your orders, your offers, your invoices, and your wish list. But I think the most important thing is that I can show you how our data reader works. So you have to go back to the dashboard. And then you see here, down there, our data reader. The allowed files or formats are Gerber, it's 274, and ODB++ or Eagle data. Then you just have to click Start Analysis. And then it loads. Now it's in German, I'm sorry, but you just have to click on Choose File, and then you can choose your PCB file here and say, let's go. And then at first, our data reader will create a picture of your PCB. That's now also in German because I'm here in Germany and I can't change it now. But you will see now on the left side, in 1 second, the picture of your PCB with the solder mask and the legend print and all the pads with the chemical gold surface, for example. So as you can see here now, our data reader created a picture of your PCB, and now all the other parameters will be analyzed and he will automatically insert them into our configurator. And now you can here choose at first your wanted quantity, for example 10 pieces now, and your wanted delivery date like 5 working days. And now when you go to here and proof configuration, now I will change it to English again for you. So, all right, you see our data reader insert all the parameters automatically from your data, and then you only have to insert your PCB name if you have one and your order number. And then you can also choose here maybe also your quantity, but I will have 10 pieces. You can here also change the production time. For this PCB, 3 working days is the fastest possible, and then we would send the PCBs to you at the 13th of October. And also important to say is that a working day is only valid until 9 AM. So when you're ordering before 9 AM, we will start production at this day. But if you order later than 9 AM, so the first working day will be the next day. If you need your PCB real quick, you can also choose here the shipping method on next day. So we will send the PCBs out and you will have them on the next day on your desk. And you can also easily choose with just one click if you do want an echo stencil. So you can choose here between only top or only bottom, or you need both, so we will send you 2 stencils. Here is the option, as my colleague mentioned, with the overproduction. So if we produce 12 pieces, but you only want 10, if you click here, yes, please offer, we will offer you the 2 more pieces with a 50% discount. And now, sometimes you have to send the offer to your colleague in the purchasing department. So you can now here easily create your offer as a PDF. So as you see, it will download here. And then you see your offer here in the PDF with all the costs and all the parameters you choose. This one here is the number of our product calculation. So when your colleague from the purchasing department want to see this offer in our online shop, he just has to click here, load configuration from PDF, and then he just has to insert the number as I showed you. All right, but you also have the chance to save the offer directly online in your account. So you just have to click Save Configuration and then Add to Wishlist. And then I will show you later where this wishlist is. If you are already ready to order your PCBs, it's also only one click, so you can say Add to Cart. And as you see now, your shopping cart, and there is the PCB we now calculated together, and then you just have to upload your layout file once again, and then you can easily say checkout, and the rest is the same as in any other online shops as well. But Sometimes you do not have a layout yet for your PCB, but you want maybe the first price for your PCB, so you can also insert the parameters manually. So you can choose here freely between your number of layers and all the other parameters. You can choose as you want them. And then you can see here also the price for your project. Maybe that's also a good thing. Also here is possible the scale prices. So you can here say maybe you don't know if you really need only 10 pieces, or maybe you need 15 or 20 pieces for your project. So you can compare them. So you can insert here maybe 10, 15 and 20. And so you can see at a glance the total costs of all the different quantities in the different working days, and you can compare them, what is the best price for you. All right, as I did it before, I saved my offer in the wish list. So you can see here, this is our offer now we saved, the webinar test PCB. And then your colleague from the purchasing department can also edit it one more time if he wants to, or also add it to the cart, and then it's the same as I showed you before. And no worries, you don't have to share your password with your colleague, because we can do it's named account grouping. So if you and colleague B and colleague A have maybe 3 accounts at our online shop, so we can compare them together to one company account, and then colleague E can see the orders from colleague B, for example, and the one colleague can also order the offer from the other colleagues. So maybe that's really good during the vacation time, maybe when some projects have to be ordered from a colleague, and then just write us an email on info@WEdirekt.com, and then we can create a company account for you. If you're in your layouting phase, you can also see here under Technology and Technical Guidelines our WEdirekt Design Guide. You just have to click on it, and then we will show you all the parameters you have to consider in your layout so that the PCB is producible at our online shop, and I think that's really helpful for you. As I also mentioned before, I want to study next year, so we have here a university benefit for all the universities, schools and the students. So they will get a 10% discount on every order they make, and it's on every technology like HDI and also 3D products, and also from free working days. So please use it, and I think that's really great, and we want to support the developers of tomorrow. And when you are later in our online shop and try it by yourself, and maybe you have some problems or you don't know what you have to do, you're happy to go on our live chat. So as you can see, my colleague Mrs. Kannberger is now in the chat, and we can help you in seconds, so you don't have to leave the website, and then together we will finish your problems and solve them. So as you can see, the ordering process is really easy, and that it's easy also our customer says with the customer feedbacks.
Yeah, we've told you a lot about WEdirekt's advantage today, but the most convincing proof is always direct feedback from our customers. Many say things like,
finally, ping pong, I know immediately what my prototypes cost.
That's the big difference with us. You don't waste time on back and forth or lengthy offer processes, but get all information directly online. Price, delivery date and feasibility. Another customer said,
thanks to the express service, I got my PCBs on my desk within 3 days.
This shows how valuable our fast production process is, especially for development projects where time is critical. And a third frequent comment is:
manufacturing in Germany gives us the security we need for our projects.
This sums it up perfectly. Our customers appreciate not only speed, but also reliability and quality from German production. These testimonials prove our concept works. Our online shop is more than just a shop. We are a reliable partner for developers, purchasers and product managers.
So now it's your turn. Go to our website, create your customer account, try the ordering process, try to configure your PCB, and we would say thank you for your participation.
And as promised at the beginning, here's your benefit. Use the discount code WEBINAR25 to save €25 on your next order in our WEdirekt Online Shop. Thank you very much for participating. We look forward to hearing or showing you in our online shop.